Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to create parallax effect in Elementor. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. Very fast, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is my website and currently I visited the home page. If you scroll down, then you can see the featured ad section, and if you scroll, then you can see the background image is fixed here and the content is just scroll up. So in this tutorial we will learn how to give this type of parallax effect with Elementor. So navigate to the About Us page. Okay, very first about our company, then how it works. Okay, so I want to give the parallax effect in the section about our company. So edit the page with Elementor. So click here, edit with Elementor. Then select the section or container area. Just you can see plus icon, then the 6 dot and the cross sign. Okay, you have to click the middle. What is the 6 dot? Click here. You can see when you hover over on it, then it shows edit section. So click here. Then in left side top you can see 3 tabs: layout, style and advanced. You have to navigate to the style tab. Click here. Then the background type, if you click here, classic, you can see very fast icon, classic. Then the image, just click here, image. This is the image. If you want to choose image from the media library, then you can just select the media library tab, then select from here. Or if you want to update the image from your computer, then click upload files, then the select files, then you can choose the image from here. So this is the image which I want to use in this tutorial. Click and open it. From the right side bottom, select, click over here. Okay, you can see the background image has been set. Okay, now we have to change the text color. Okay, so click this pencil icon, then again navigate to the style tab, then select the color from here. Just I want to give here the white. Okay, this is the title. Okay, you can change the color, text color from here. Actually in this tutorial I want to show you how to give the parallax effect. So again select this container or the section, then the style. You can see this is I have added an image for the background. Okay, scroll down, then you can see image resolution full and position. If you position default, if you want, then you can change it from here like center. Okay, I want to give it. Then the attachment, okay, default. If you want, then you can change from here. Okay, so in this tutorial I want to give how to give the parallax effect. So we have to choose from here the fixed. Okay, attachment will be fixed, then the published from the right side top. Now again visit this page and just refresh it. Okay, scroll down, then you can see the content is scroll up and the background image is fixed here. So in this tutorial we have learned how to give the parallax effect with Elementor. Thanks for watching the video.